Horses out, we have Hockey Hawk. Pass to begin, moving up on the outside now, Eagle Swings. Then followed by Showmaster, Jegito, Europa, Chip Up Stop. And Grand Sensation is the early trailer. Eagle Swings by about 3 for Balenka. And on the outside, second is Showmaster. Hockey Hawk is racing on the outside third. Then followed over by Jegito alongside Europa, Chip Up Stop, second last, and Grand Sensation. They swing into the back. Eagle Swings by Oranek. Moving up on the outside now is Hockey Hawk. Racing in third comes Showmaster. Jegito in fourth. Moving up Europa, Chip Up Stop, and Grand Sensation. And that's still Eagle Swings by about 3 for Balenka. And on the outside is Hockey Hawk. Europa now racing in third. Chip Up Stop now racing in fourth. Then comes Showmaster Jegito. Eagle Swings by about 2 lengths. Hockey Hawk is on the outside second. Europa, Chip Up Stop now moving up by the rail as they come down at the last 150. And still Eagle Swings by about 2.5 lengths. Chip Up Stop now moving up to take second. And on the outside comes Europa. And hitting the finish line we have Eagle Swings, Chip Up Stop, Europa, Hockey Hawk, Grand Sensation.
2-4.